morning, my students. Today I am going to describe about the adjectives. But previous day I have taught you the adjective, definition of adjective, kinds of adjectives. That's all. Adjective. As you know, what is adjective? Adjective is a word that tells us something about the subject, about the quality, about the number, distributive, interrogative, etc. Remember, the adjective word is always used before noun or subject. Suppose that young girl is moving down the road. Girl is a noun and young is an adjective. Little boy is standing there. Little is an adjective and boy is noun. So we see here that the adjective comes before the noun. In other words, the adjective preceded by nouns. Today, I am going to telling among you the formation of adjective. What? Formation. Formation of adjective. Formation of adjectives. In other words, degree of comparison, degree of adjectives. Degree of comparison. Degree of comparison. Degree of comparison. There are three kinds of degree of comparison. There are three kinds of degree of comparison. First, positive degree. Second, comparative degree. And third, superlative degree. There are three kinds of degree of comparison. There are three kinds of degrees of comparison. Degrees of comparison. Positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. There are three kinds of adjectives in comparison. First, positive degree. Second, comparative degree. And third, superlative degree. Again, I am going to describe turn by turn the positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. First, positive degree. The simple form of degree, many adjectives. The simple form of many adjectives, simple form of many adjectives undergo gradation. Undergo gradation when we compare one person or thing, one person or thing. Example, Kamal is a good batsman. Kamal is a good batsman. See here. Positively, the simple form of many adjectives undergo gradation when we compare one person or things. Simple form of many adjectives undergo gradation when we compare one thing or things. सिंपल फॉर्म ऑफ मेनी एडजेक्टिव्स जो होता है अंडरगो ग्रेडेशन, उसमें परिवर्तन होता है व्हेन वी कंपेयर वन पर्सन और थिंग, जब वन पर्सन के साथ में हम उसको एक करते हैं, सिर्फ वन ही पर्सन के साथ में. एग्जाम्पल, कमल इज ए गुड बैट्समैन. कमल इज नेम ऑफ पर्सन. व्हाट इज कमल? गुड बैट्समैन. गुड इज ए एडजेक्टिव. Next, second, comparative degree. Comparative degree. It is used when two person or thing are compared. When two persons or things are compared. Comparative degree, it is used when two persons or things are compared. जब दो व्यक्ति और दो वस्तुओं के बीच में जब तुलना की जाती है उसको हम कंपैरेटिव डिग्री करते हैं. एग्जाम्पल, मोहित इज ए बेटर बैट्समैन देन कमल. मोहित इज ए बेटर बैट्समैन देन कमल. Mohit is a better batsman than Kamal. But in a simple form of adjective, Kamal is a good batsman. And here Mohit is a better batsman than Kamal. Good का comparative रूप better. And third, superlative. Degree. superlative degree. It is used when more than two persons or things are compared. It is used when more than two persons or things are compared. Compared. In a superlative degree, it is used when more than two persons or things are compared. But in a comparative degree, it is used when two persons or things are compared. There is a difference between the comparative degree and superlative degree. In a comparative degree, it is compared between the two persons or things. But in a superlative degree, it is compared more than two persons or things. Most carefully, look at here. More than two persons in a superlative degree. But when two persons or things in a comparative degree. Formation of comparative. Note. It is important for you. The word is used in superlative degree. Superlative degrees. Example: Sachin is the best batsman of India. Sachin is the best batsman in India. See here, in a comparative degree, the formation of good adjective is better. In a superlative degree, the formation of good is the best. And in a note, the is preceded by best adjective. Superlative degree, the word is used before the adjective. Formation of adjective. Adjectives. Rule first. A. Comparative and superlative degree are formed comparative and superlative degrees are formed by adding er or est ER और EST in positive degrees. In positive degrees. Sorry, to the positive degree, not in. To the positive degree. Example. Bold. Bold. Bolder. Boldest. Cheap. Cheaper. Cheapest. Few. Fewer. Fewest. Etc. Bold, bolder, boldest. Cheap, cheaper, cheapest. Few, fewer, fewest. The first rule of the first rule of the degree of comparison in a comparative to the comparative degree or superlative degree. Comparative and superlative degree are formed by adding E or EST to the positive degree. In positive degree में ER and EST adding, then formation of the superlative and comparative. Cheap, cheaper, cheapest. Few, fewer, fewest. It is the first rule to formation of degree of comparison. Next. Next, when the positive ends B, rule number B, when the positive ends in E only R and ST are added. ST are added. When positive ends in E, only R and ST are added. Example. Large, larger, largest. Noble, nobler, noblest. Brave, braver, bravest. See here, when positive and according to the rule, when positive ends in letter E, only R or EST are added. See here, according to the example, large, in a large word, E word is added. Therefore, in a formation of comparative degree, larger, only R letter is used. Largest, ST letter are used. Noble, nobler, only for R comparative degree. And ST, superlative, brave, in the ending E. Only for in a comparative degree, R is added. But in a to the superlative degree, ST is added. Rule second. When adjective has a single consonant, when an adjective has a single consonant and preceded by a short vowel and preceded by a short vowel, the ending letter is double. The ending letter is double and ER and EST are added. ST are added. So E is added. Example. Red, redder, reddest. Big, bigger, biggest. Fit, fitter, fittest. According to the rule, when an adjective has a single consonant and preceded by a short vowel, the ending letter is double and ER or EST is added. When an adjective has a single consonant and preceded by a short vowel, यानी उसके पहले कोई vowel यदि रहती है तो लास्ट लेटर डबल हो जाता है. एग्जाम्पल, रेड is single consonant, red, and preceded by vowel E. Big, last letter is big and preceded by vowel I. And feet, T letter is consonant but preceded by vowel. Here according to the rule, F is also consonant, but it not preceded by vowel. But T is a consonant and preceded by vowel. That is according to the rule. In a comparative degree, the last letter is double and ER is added in a comparative form. In last letter T double and EST added. It is the rule. Rule 3. When an adjective ends in Y, when an adjective ends in Y, ends in letter Y, preceded by a consonant, preceded by a consonant, preceded by a consonant, Y change into I. Y changed into I and ER EST is added. EST added in superlative degree, ER is added in comparative degree. When an adjective ends in Y, preceded by a consonant, Y change into I and ER EST is added. Example. Lady. Lady in a comparative degree, sorry. Easy, easier, easiest, pretty, prettier, prettiest, dry, drier, driest, when an adjective ends in Y, in a comparative degree, Y letter is changed, I and ER EST is added. Pretty, Y letter is in ending and Y change into I and ER and EST is added. In dry is adjective, last letter is Y and Y is changed into I in a comparative form. ER is added. In a superlative form, Y is changed into Y and EST is added. when an adjective more than one syllable more and most is added to the comes before adjective. Example: urgent, urgent, more urgent, most urgent, useful, more useful, most useful, difficult, difficult, more difficult, most difficult. See here, when an adjective more than one syllable, more and most comes before the adjective. Urgent, more urgent. Urgent is the adjective, more is used in comparative way. Useful, useful, useful is an adjective, but more comes before the adjective, and most comes before the in a superlative way. Difficult, more difficult, most difficult. Some five. Some adjectives for their comparative, comparatives and superlatives in an irregular way. In an irregular way. Example: bad, ill, worse, worst. Good, good, well, better, best, little, less, least, less, least. Some adjectives form their comparative or superlative in an irregular way. Some adjectives in an irregular way. This bad and ill. Bad and ill. Two adjectives, but in a comparative form, worse and superlative, worse. Comparative and superlative. अच्छा. Good, well, better, best, little, less, least. Good and well. Form of in a comparative is the same, and superlative is also the same. Bad and ill, comparative degree worse, superlative worst. Bad, worse, worst. Good, better, best. Well, better, best. Little, less, least. Now remember here, I have taught you the degree of comparison, and I am going to repeat in a short way that there are three kinds of adjectives: positive degree, superlative degree, and projective degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Simple form of adjective is called the positive degree. But when adjective is compared between two things or persons, is called comparative degree. And superlative degree, when compare more than one person or things, is called superlative degree. Remember here, in a superlative degree, before there is adjective, the word is used. The best, the worst, etc. But I have also taught you about the formation of degree of comparison according to the rule. The first rule only for in a positive form of the adjective, only for er and est adjective. But in the, according to the simple according to the rule in a section B, if the ending letter is in an adjective e, only for r and st is used. But second rule, when the adjective has a consonant and preceded by a vowel, then last letter consonant is double. Red, redder, reddest. And next rule, when the last letter of the adjective is y, then y is changed into I and er or est is added. Easy, easier, easier. And in the last, in a irregular way, comparative and superlative form is used. According to example, bad, worse, worst, good, well, better, best, little, less, least. You must remember from your book the formation of comparative and superlative. How you changed positive into comparative and superlative, today I have taught you. Thanks.